buddies, I'm RJ Diyamati, grade 7 from Pumbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Aravindo. These heed not the desiring outward play. They turn not to the movement's busy trap, but listen with the still patience of the unborn for the slow footsteps of far destiny, approaching through huge distance of time, unmarked by the eyes that sees effect and cause, and yet mid the clamor of the human plane. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, hello, buddies. I'm RJ Sharma, grade 6 from Pumbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo about the illusion of the hopes that pass behind the appearance and overact act, behind the clockwork, chance and vague sunrise, amid the whistle of force, the trampling feet, across the cries of anguish and of joy, across the triumph, fighting and despair. They watch the bliss for earth. Its heart has cried on the long road which cannot see its end, winding undetected through the static days, and to meet it guide the unheedful moving world. Thank you. Bye.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, பேக் டு ஹெவன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோரர். நான் உங்கள் ஆர்ஜே ரோஹிதா, கிரேட் 7 ஃப்ரம் பிரிம்பட்ஸ் கார்டன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சொல்ல பார்க்க போகிற பிளேஸ் த ஹில்ஸ் ஆஃப் குட் டைம்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கேன் யூ கெஸ் த பிளேஸ்? Bellikal tourism. Bellikal is one of those places where you completely relax without having to worry about to-do list for our vacation and yet experience mountain that will steal your breath away. Instead of having 100 places to offer, it will take you by its beauty, calmness and serenity. Bellikal is a small village in south of Sigar Plateau in Tamil Nadu. This small and luxurious hill station is as beautiful as those in the Himalayas and has yet managed to retain its old world charm. Anyone who has gone to Bellikal will pine to go back. Thank you. Bye.